Hi everyone, Josh here for another attic tips video. So for this week we're going to be talking about tips on how to find your bathroom fan inside of your attic while you have a bunch of insulation in there. So there's one of my friends that they wanted to find out where the bathroom fan is, and so they went upstairs, they wanted to replace it, full of cellulose, and they started walking around with a broom to try to remove the insulation. Is that such a great idea? Maybe not. Using your old stored away shop vac, maybe a little bit better of an idea. If you're walking around trying to get rid of the cellulose by brushing it away, you're going to have a lot of dust and you're not going to be able to see a thing.
Okay, so we've just uncovered the bathroom fan that's right there. And the way to uncover the bathroom fan is that you want to understand that these trusses here, you look up on the roof, right? And then the trusses here are 16-inch on center. So what you can do is that you can locate where your bathroom is inside of your house, and then whereabouts your attic hatches, and then you can count or reference the how many trusses away is your actual bathroom fan. So in this case it's right on the edge of the house, which it actually typically is. So, and then from there you can check to see if you know, your exhaust is connected, and then change your bathroom that way. It's a lot easier. The one thing that you want to watch out for always is how you're going to maneuver in here. This part here is always pretty tough because, as you can see, there's plumbing in the way in this case, and so the best angle of attack would be on this side, but you'd want to position yourself perpendicular to the trusses so that you've got two hands and two knees, just like this here. Alright, so I got both my hands and my knees just like that, so that it's I can balance myself, and then you don't have the chance to, well, you have a better chance of staying upright, because like I said, you always, every video that I do, I always mention that you want to not step on the drywall or else you're going to go through, because those are just held by small 1.5-inch drywall screws, which will not hold much weight. And typically homes, existing people have homes like this, right? And so you've got your exhaust and there's not much room, so you want to insulate that pipe as much as possible, but in this case it's really hard to do that. Spray foam is always the best option for around the bathroom fan.